to my dining room. We're going to decorate. We're going to clean and decorate together. Actually, hopefully I can remember to tape when I'm decorating. Otherwise, I'll show you it afterwards and go through everything. But today we're going to do that. And thank you for all your prayers. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe. It's completely free. Just push the subscribe button. Sorry, it's one of them days. Or give me a thumbs up, either or both. And if you could even just leave an emoji down here, it really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. Also, I wanted to show you one thing too that I got. I know a lot of people are loving the anthropology ones, and they have some at TJ Maxx, but I found these at Walmart, my Walmart, for $5.97 each. I think they're beautiful. I like them for something just a little cheery and different. It's got the, you can see it all, hopefully, the raised pumpkins. I think them are so cute, but I wanted to show that little deal with you because I know they're going fast. My Walmart, I actually don't think my Walmart has any more of the white ones left. They have black ones and I think brown ones that are more Halloweenish, and I do more fall than Halloween. That's just me. But so glad you're here, and I hope that you enjoy this. I hope you get a little bit of inspiration, and yeah, thank you for all your comments for my kitchen video. Oh my goodness, I was so surprised. You guys were so sweet. I appreciate it so much. That's my dog back there. He likes to be in the videos. So there you go. But anyway, I will, oh, quit. He's getting to where he's, he's tall enough. He can smell things on the counter. So I have to really watch that now. So any hints for what I can do with that, that would help. But anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like everything I'm doing. And also I ask a question because there's something on there that in the dining room that I just don't know what to do with for fall. But I love it out, and I'll explain that to you when we get there. So I need advice. I need you guys' opinions on what to do with it. I really appreciate it. And you guys all have a great week. This is the state of my dining room right now. We have King of Christmas tree sitting there still. We have bunnies and greenery in the hutch. I love my bunny there. I don't know if I'm going to put him away. He might stay. He might be holding a pumpkin or something. Got totes everywhere. My dining room table is a mess. Things are everywhere. So need to get this cleaned up and decorated for fall. Everything is cleared out of that area. I had some things I was fixing, things I was sewing, things I had been sewing. So I got that all out of there. And Bo's helping me, of course. And Gracie's being nosy, as usual. And now I'm going to clear away my bunnies and summer florals. anything cleaned out of there that I wouldn't be using. I'm not sure on the candlesticks above yet. I love the tone of that little wicker umbrella. I know it's kind of a spring thing, but in fall in Michigan, we get a lot of rain too. So I was thinking, maybe I'll keep it there or I'll put it somewhere else that will make sense. But all the summer florals out. Sorry for the dogs. They think I'm going somewhere because I'm standing over here. Got the table all cleaned off. I just put this little piece of material from Hobby Lobby on here as a little square. I usually do that every season, and then it doesn't cost a lot. Took off my pink baby's breath here. I had added that brown plate a while ago, so now we will get some fall decor out and see what we can do. I got the majority of it done already. Sorry, once I get going, I just don't think to stop to tape it. But I will show you up close. I went ahead and took the plant down and put it somewhere else where it'd get a little more sun anyway. Put my old wired pumpkin up there. My husband laughed and laughed when I brought that home from a craft show. He worked on lived on a farm and worked on a farm forever. Rusty wire was a thing, and you know what? I just realized I need to put some leaves in that, and I need to do something with that yet. And I'm not sure what. If you have any ideas, put it down in the comments. I would love to hear it. You guys are all creative too, so. And then I just put one of my little stamped blocks I made last year or year before in there, and added some pumpkins and brass candlesticks to this area, and some leaves, just some little picks from Hobby Lobby. And then, sorry, hopefully the music's not too loud in the background. Alexa, stop. Sorry. And then just added some pumpkins to the basket. You know, when I first started out here doing this, I thought, no, I'm not going to add pumpkins yet. But you know what? Once you take the pumpkins out, it's a avalanche. You just go with it. Now that greenery right there is really bothering me up there. So I'm going to have to do something about that. I'm going to have to find something to put in there. And goodness gracious. I'm sure I have something. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, here's all my mess in the living room. You guys thought I had it all together. Clearly I don't. Here's all my totes. Even the dog is tired of decorating this morning. Goofball anyway. And you probably all wonder how I'm handling having a big dog in the house. And it's been good because he's so protective and he's so sweet with me. He makes sure that he is. I'm sorry, I'm looking through trying to figure out something to put in that basket. These leaves I'm going to use in the mantle, I think. Otherwise, I'd use them. And he's just so good. And he doesn't shed much. So that's been nice. All right, we're going to put these in here and see how it works out. Yep, just throw them on the floor and hope the dogs don't get them. I don't know. Does that look okay? I guess so. What do you think? And then that, I need ideas. I need ideas, guys. Give me some ideas for that because I really like it. I love the warmth of the color, and I love the texture it adds. And then over here, I just took out my summer flowers, added some leaves to the basket, added a little sign I got from Amazon a couple years ago. I've forgotten about it, and it's just so pretty. I just had to put that out. I don't know if it really goes with anything yet, but then my basket, and I put a little flower in there. And then my lantern over here that I got at a thrift store or yard sale, added a ribbon to it. And I just flipped around my towel that said lilacs because that color kind of goes with the fall. Plus it goes with this. I have my brown plate up there. This is from Magnolia. And I have to tell you, I hate to say this, but I've gotten two things from Magnolia home so far. And this one hangs crooked every single time, no matter what I do. It's on there straight, but it hangs crooked. The shelf I got out in the kitchen, some of the shelves in it are crooked. They're actually put together crooked. And then I will show you, oh my soul in nature. You're not a cat, and I wouldn't let a cat up on the table. What are you doing? Gracie, you know better. Sorry. Get down. She just loves that we have these windows that she can just look out of and bark at everyone that goes by. Sorry about that. My life. See, told you I don't get too bored. On the table, I just wanted to keep it simple. I did this fabric that I already told you about, and I put this beaded pumpkin. I'm pretty sure I got that from Joann's several years ago. I got that one and a bigger one. Of course, mine is closed out now, and I have to find a candle go in the middle of it yet. Somehow, if you know how to, I probably could cut this off and then put a battery operated one in there because it's got that little thing. So we'll see. And then I got these hydrangeas. They feel and look like real dried hydrangeas. I got them at Goodwill. And then I just bought 2 of these from Hobby Lobby that I love. And added a little bit of the brown to it. But I thought that turned out cute. And then right here, I got to figure out something else. I want to get some of my dried green hydrangeas to hang there. I'm just waiting for them to get a little bit of tinge of pink on them. And mine haven't done that quite yet. So anyway, my dog is destroying a pumpkin now. Yeah. So I'm going to get off here. And we'll start on the living room next. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Gracie, stop. Gracie. She's taking advantage, just like a toddler when I'm on the phone. Next will be the living room. I'm going to clean and decorate that with me. I'm still stirring around ideas. As you can see, haven't painted the doors. Swatches are still there. Yeah. Anyway, so that'll be next. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. If you're been here for a little while, I appreciate it. If you've been here since last year and you held on this long after my husband passed, I am so grateful and thankful for you. And I'm thankful for anyone new coming to it. I appreciate it so much. And even if you just put an emoji down below, that helps my channel grow. I'm trying to earn a little doing some videos and stuff. I'm sharing what I love with you guys and then getting your ideas too, because it's kind of fun. I think I'll change out that fern too. Yeah, so leave an emoji or give me some suggestions on that, or just tell me that you're praying for me, or leave a prayer request for me to pray for you. I would love that. My prayer list is growing in the morning, and I absolutely love that too. So all of you have a wonderful week, and thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much. Give a thumbs up and have a great week.